For the fourth capstone, I chose to focus on land use and freshwater resources in the city of Cape Town, South Africa. Water usage is a delicate system that, when impacted by both human or natural issues, can result in severe drought and destabilization of the water cycle in an area. In the middle of the 2010s up until today, Cape Town suffers from drought and a recognized water crisis. The water crisis was caused by a dry climate paired with along with high water consumption per capita and fast growth of the city. Luckily, some improvements have been made in managing the crisis, but its effects are still evident throughout the area. When looking forward, continuing climate change will only result in further destabilization of the water cycle as precipitation increases in some places while it continues to get drier in others. Drought will continue to be a serious issue that will only get worse as further disregard is cast towards water conservation processes. The drought itself caused serious economic disarray in the city and conflicts over simple things that required water. If more care is taken in monitoring overall water usage, the surface level issues of available water can be improved, but a warmer climate will ultimately continue to worsen the droughts not only in Cape Town, but globally.